Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the first video introduction about robotics. This is Ahmed Fawzi and I'll be with you for the course EE235, which is talking about microcontrollers and circuits, electric circuits. First, I would like to introduce motivation for you. I know that you are from mechanical engineering background, and here we are in electrical engineering department. So this video will be short and will be an inspiration for you about why do we need this course, and the answers will be here, mechatronics and robotics. First, robot is a machine which can sense different physical variables, thinks and decides what to do, then perform an action. So that robots has three main characteristics: sense, think, act. For the first thing, which is sense, humans have senses, five main senses like sight, hearing, taste, touch and smell. Also, robots has senses. We call these senses are sensors which measure different physical variables. For example, we have ultrasonic sensor which measures the distances. We have color sensor which measure the color. We have smoke sensors which test the concentration of gases inside the room and give an alarm if the concentration is too high. So sensors are giving us some information. And after that, we have second thing called think. We have to process these informations in a brain. As humans have brains, robots also have brains, but it calls like cortex or microprocessor. For example, we are going to deal with something called Arduino. We will get or gather some information from sensors and process it and take an action like we have some motors or actuators, and we are going to implement some actions. For example, if we have robot and the robot inside a closed room, so we are providing the robot with a sensor called ultrasonic which measures the distance to avoid the obstacles. So if we have a wall or an obstacle in front of the robot, so the sensors give that information to the brain, and the brain processes it and check whether the distance is very close, and if it is very close, it gives an action to a motor to stop or return or move backward. This question for you, you have to answer it in your brain. Can you name two applications of mechatronics and robotics around you? Now let's check robots' uses. First, it could be used in the industry. We may use it with artificial intelligence. We have robots in medicine, in space research, underwater, robot security, and robot in the entertainment and sports field. So we are going to see some videos to give you an inspiration about these robots and its application around us in different fields. For robot features, we may use it as it has high precision. We may use it to increase the production in the industrial fields like car manufacturing. It also has the lack of moral sense. Also, it reduces the costs in the long run. It has the ability to perform dangerous tasks. You may send it underwater or in the space discovery or in a place that has a disaster, like if we have earthquake or if we have fires, so we could send robots to discover and rescue people. First application, we have here industrial robots that are responsible for manufacturing cars. For example, we have many robots arms here in the pictures, and each robot arm has certain feature, and it is responsible for doing something in the car. Here we have industry and safety. As we have seen in this video, Amazon has utilized robots, mobile robots in their warehouses to make some sortation, to make some manipulation with the tasks. If we have some orders, the robots are responsible for gathering the order and deliver it. Also, they have utilized drones to deliver the products. Now we are going to see another example. If we have here a fire, we could send autonomous robots that equipped with equipments like water and some pumps in order to get rid of these fires. Now we are going to see two videos for special needs people. This woman has hemiplegia and she couldn't move, so it has equipped with a sensor in her brain, and there is a robotic arm that gathers the data from her brain, and therefore the robotic arm is manipulated by her brain signals to move the bottle. Also, robots may be used to help people to walk. Also, we may utilize robots underwater or in agriculture sector, as we are going to see in these videos. For example, we have here an ROV, and it also could be a drone. We have here autonomous tractor, and the autonomous tractor has no body to control, so it is controlled via control system, and it gathers the data from the GPS modules.
Types of crops require different techniques to grow effectively. Fruit trees are grown in orchards where the trees form long rows. Tasks like tree inspection, fruit harvesting, and pesticide spray can only be done efficiently from the ground. However, driving through an orchard is significantly more challenging than driving through an open field. The autonomous tractor travels through orchards without the aid of GPS, which is often blocked by the canopies of the trees. The tractor must traverse the entire orchard, making sure to cover both sides of each tree for tasks such as inspection and spraying. In this challenge,
so we have seen different examples and applications of robots, so you have maybe inspired to make your robots or to make mechatronic devices that help in decrease in national disasters or help to serve people around you in your community. In this course, we are going to learn something called Arduino, and it serves like a brain for your robot or for your device. And we are going to use different sensors and connect it to Arduino. And also we are going to have motors, and we will control the motor speed and direction. So we are going to learn this board, which is called Arduino, and it may serve as a brain for your project. For example, you are a mechanical engineer and you are going to make a device and you need to measure the temperature. So you are going to learn in this course how to connect the temperature sensors. For example, it is called LM35, and connect it to Arduino and control the temperature and display the reading on the LCD or on a serial monitor. Also, for example, if you have a project and you need to measure the distance, there is a sensor called ultrasonic, and it is measures the distance through calculating the speed of ultrasonic waves, and you may utilize this project and display the reading of the distance. Through this course, you are going to learn some softwares that help you to simulate your project. For example, we are going to deal with Tinkercad. Tinkercad software, it is online and it is free. We are going to utilize it to build electronic circuits and simulate it, run it, and see the result. Also, it has another module which is used for your background. You may use it to build a robot or to build a mechanical design. It is simple, and it may serve as a fundamental component for you to learn mechanical design. But of course, if you deal with SolidWorks and Inventor softwares, they are more advanced, so no need for this module. Also, we are going to use Protos software. Protos software also will be used to build electronic circuits and simulate it, test it, and see the result. Through this course, you will be equipped with the techniques and technologies that will enable you to make your project like graduation project or course project. You may build a robot or a mechatronics system and control it through using Arduino and different sensors. Instead of having a mechanical design which is rigid, you could add some sensors and some controllers to it in order to make it smart and deal with the environment. You could measure different physical characteristics inside your device or inside your machine. So here are some tools. You are going to learn it through this course, and it will help you inshallah in your course projects. I will conclude this video by this statement: the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. And see you for the next video inshallah.